Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to push to a repository in GitHub. First of all, simply open your browser. After opening your browser, simply type here github.com. After opening github.com, now simply open the repository. Suppose I want to open this. After that, simply head into the option called here, as you can see, green code named as, and go to the code spaces, and you can add new code spaces. Simply hit plus and your code space will run, as you can see here, terminal. Now initialize the Git if not already. Simply initialize the Git, Copilot is on. Simply git space init. After entering, it says existing Git repository in workspace. Then simply add and commit your code. Simply git add git space add and space and dot full stop. Simply hit enter. After that, commit your code. Git commit -m and double inverted comma or and you can write here anything. I'll say like subscribe and double inverted comma close and hit enter. It says your branch is up to date with origin main, nothing to commit, working quickly. Then another step is to link to GitHub repo. Now simply click here, type here git remote and origin. After this, simply copy the repository code at the local, as you can see this code. Copy to the clipboard and simply Ctrl+V and paste it, as you can see, and hit enter. It's a no such file and directory. After this, simply Ctrl+V and enter. After this, step 6 is to push your code. To push the code, simply git push -u origin main. Simply hit enter and it says set up to track origin main. Everything is up to date. And that's it. Your project is now live on GitHub, ready to be shared or collaborated on. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.